Hi, I'm Andy Wallace, Bugatti official pilot, and I'd like to show you what makes a Bugatti Chiron such an amazing machine. Everything about this car is extreme. Of course, it's incredibly fast, so the first thing you need, massive brakes, massive power, 5,000 horsepower's worth of stopping ability together with the air brake. The chassis, incredibly stiff, comparable to an LMP1 racing car in fact. As we come round to the back, you can't help looking at the engine. A W16, 8 litres, 1,500 horsepower, 1,600 newton meters of torque, between 2 and 6,000 RPM. Unbelievable acceleration. Of course, none of that would be any good if you couldn't put the power onto the road. I still don't believe how this car can do it in first gear, full throttle, no wheel spin. It's unbelievable. To get 1,500 horsepower, we've got 4 very large turbochargers. The problem with large turbochargers, they take a while to spool up. So we've got a unique system here, a 2-stage system, whereby 2 of the turbos are actually closed off at low RPM. We force 8 cylinders on each side through only 2. This means that they spin up very quickly. You reach actually maximum boost with only 2 turbochargers. And then as the revs rise and we need more volume, we bring the other 2 in. You need 1,000 litres of air per second for combustion. Sounds crazy, doesn't it? The forces acting on this wheel when the car's at top speed, 420 kilometres an hour, from the centre line, by the time you get to the valve, this cap is subjected to 3,000 times gravity. So you can see it weighs absolutely nothing, 2.5 grams. That's 7.5 kilos at maximum speed. Then the pressure and temperature sensor, it's 44 grams. That's 131 kilos at maximum speed. That's almost 2 of me.